Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The World Bank says the global economy is entering a pronounced slowdown due to the continued threat of COVID-19. The multilateral agency says rising inflation, debt and income inequality are other threats which could affect global recovery, especially for emerging and developing economies. The World Bank's Global Economic Prospects report indicates that global growth is expected to decelerate this year from 5.5% in 2021 to 4.1% in 2022. Now, 2023 is also expected to see a decline in growth to 3.2% and that's again for 2023. Now, the World Bank says the decline will be as a result of pent-up demand dissipating and fiscal and monetary support around the globe being reduced. Now back to the region, investment company Cygnus Capital has assisted the Bahamian government to raise $9 million. Now, Cygnus acted as lead arranger for the public-private partnership. The funds raised through alternative financing will be used to rebuild and restore the new 8 Mile Rock West End government complex based in the country. Now, the complex is to be completed in the third quarter of 2022. It's expected that site preparation, infrastructure and construction will be generating up to 100 jobs over the period. Now back here in Jamaica, after 2 interventions this week by the Bank of Jamaica, the U.S. currency is being sold for an average $155.82. $124.75 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $214.14 for the pound, while the euro is being sold for $177.10 an average. The JSE Index lost 5,492 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 63 points. Among today's winners were Consolidated Bakeries, Margaritaville Turks, Dolphin Cove, Caribbean Cream and Salada Foods Jamaica, while on the losing side were Kingston Wharves Limited, Epley's Caribbean Property Fund, Kingston Properties, Sagicor Group and Proven Investments Jamaican dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.